This year at York Maze, we've decided to celebrate David Attenborough's 100th birthday by creating an enormous picture of David Attenborough, and we believe it's the biggest image of his face that's ever been created, alongside like a Mount Rushmore of iconic images of a giant gorilla, an African elephant, a giant tiger, and obviously David Attenborough. So yeah, we've got over 1 million plants growing. It covers an area bigger than 8 Wembley football pitches, so it's kind of an attraction on an enormous scale. We do a different themed maze every year, which is great. Obviously, people that come back every year get to see a new maze, a whole new attraction. And this is, I think it's right up there with my favourites. Everyone loves David Attenborough. He's like everyone's favourite granddad. And it was just lovely to be able to celebrate. And we hope he gets to see the photo. And you never know, he might want to come down and have a look around himself. We did invite him. We would love it if he could have come to the opening, but obviously he's 100 years old now. He doesn't go to many things, and he's got so much going on this year. Although I did see him at Wimbledon this week, so he is going out. But anyway, he couldn't come and open it, but you never know. It'd be great if he could come down and see his face carved into corn for the first time. Yeah, so the maze itself, when you're on the ground now, I mean, actually, just here in front of me is actually an elephant's toenail, would you believe? But the scale of this is so huge that you need to get to about 500 feet above it really to understand what it looks like. So when you're on the ground, it's very hard to tell whereabouts in the maze you are, which makes it a maze, funnily enough. But yeah, if you get up in the helicopter, as everyone's doing today, you can fly over and get the full scale of it and see the pictures we've created. Plant the corn in late April, early May, and obviously it grows to sort of 6 foot high by the time we open in July, and then it's ready for harvesting in late September. So we chop it down. It actually goes to see my neighbour's cattle, and it turns into feed through the winter, and they produce creamy Jersey milk, which goes into ice cream and double cream. So yeah, and then we get the muck back from that farm to fertilise the land. So it really is the circle of life. I think Atom will be proud of it.